How to cancel your Smarty mobile account permanently. Simply get logged into your Smarty online dashboard just like this. You can get it to your application. Then from there, all you need to do is simply tap on the account icon right here. Then from there, tap on account settings, tap on payment settings, and then make sure to turn off that auto renew. After doing that, that's all you need to do. Like from there, simply tap on the help icon right here. Then from there, all you need to do is get into their live chat. Then from there, what you're gonna do is simply ask them to get your PAC or STAC code or request instant cancellation. So if you want to transfer your number, simply ask for that code, or else you can simply request them to cancel all of their services, including your mobile number, if you do not want that number anymore. So yeah, that's all you need to do in order to cancel your Smarty mobile account permanently. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.